Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Imagine dropping every preconceived notion about sub-250G drones. What you're about to see with the DJI Mini 5 Pro will rewrite lightweight aerial cinematography forever. Officially slated for August 7, 2025, this ultralight drone combines pro-grade imaging, revolutionary flight endurance, and advanced safety tech. Here's your exclusive breakdown, launch timeline and buzz-early leaks from credible sources, such as DroneXL's Jasper Ellens have confirmed the August 7, 2025 announcement, and trusted leaker Hakasushi reinforced this timeframe, pointing to initial September rollout plans in some markets. While geopolitical and regulatory hurdles in the US could alter availability, August remains the most widely reported launch window. Cutting-edge camera and imaging. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to sport a 1-inch CMOS sensor, a substantial jump from the Mini 4 Pro's 1/1.30 sensor, enhancing resolution, low-light clarity, and cinematic depth of field for creators. Supporting up to 4K per 60 frames per second with HDR, this drone promises sharper visuals and pro-level performance in a compact package. Battery and flight time. Revolution and FCC leak confirms a 4,680 mAh battery, a noticeable upgrade over the Mini 4 Pro's 18.9 Wh cell. With this energy boost, flight endurance is projected at around 50 to 55 minutes, nearly double the older model, critical for extended aerial work like real estate shoots, weddings, or travel vlogs. LiDAR obstacle sensing and safety. Likely to be the industry's first sub-250G drone with LiDAR, the Mini 5 Pro reportedly integrates front-facing LiDAR units, backed by omnidirectional vision sensors for full 360 degrees obstacle detection. This AI-driven combination brings precision obstacle avoidance even in low light or dense environments. Aerodynamic design and enhanced motors. Leaked images showcase sleek vented motor housings aimed at reducing thermal stress and improving wind resistance, a strategic way to maintain sub-249G weight without compromise. Additionally, quick-release folding props make mid-flight blade swaps a breeze, no screws needed. Range, transmission and controls. The drone is expected to support OcuSync 4+, delivering transmission ranges up to 25 km. Controller features may include support for RC2, RCN3, Goggles 3, voice control, onboard audio recording, and a dedicated cinematic shot mode button that automates complex flight sequences. No smartphone required. Estimated pricing and ROI. Insider estimates place the base model around $850 to $900 USD, with a Fly More combo in the $1,150 to $1,300 range. If you're shooting weddings, real estate, or geography demos, ROI calculations suggest it could pay for itself in less than 1 month of professional use. Why it matters for drone creators. For anyone producing cinematic flight sequences, underwater conservation footage, social media reels, or adventure travel content, the Mini 5 Pro represents a boundary-pushing leap in autonomy, image quality, and flight endurance, all while staying in the coveted sub-249G class. With LiDAR, improved motors, and extended range, this drone looks primed to redefine what Mini means in professional aerial imaging. Thank you for tuning in. Let me know in the comments below, what dream location or shot are you planning with this next-gen Mini drone? Drop it down. Don't forget, smash like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss updates on official specs, hands-on reviews, and comparisons to the Mini 4 Pro or Air 3S. Looking forward to seeing your cinematic creations and hearing what angles you plan to capture next.